Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to show you how you can fix the darn updating iPhone error that you get on your device here. Because I've experienced it, I can even show you that I get this message pretty commonly where it says unable to check for update. An error occurred while checking for a software update. I've gotten that for the last two updates, and my question is, why is it doing that? One of the things that I've done is to, one, I turned off the phone. So I did the volume up, volume down, and then the power button here on the side where Siri is. So volume up, volume down, and hold on to Siri. There he is. So volume up, volume down, hold on to Siri pretty quick. And then you can swipe to power off. And I've done that and it still didn't work. But for some of you folks, if restarting your phone is the biggest thing, that might be it. Now, the other thing that I've been thinking about was, okay, is it my internet connection? Is it something that has to do with my Wi-Fi? Because Wi-Fi is turned on at the moment here. If I go back and go into Wi-Fi, if I turn off my Wi-Fi, would that be an issue? Would that be something that is causing the problem? Well, I went to the software update, general software update, and then now it allowed me to actually check for the iOS update. I already updated mine a couple of days ago here, but that was the other thing that I tried to fix. It was turning off the Wi-Fi and then going back to the software update, and it gave me the option to update my phone. So if that is what you're running into as well, please try this and see if it works. If it doesn't, you may have to plug this into a computer, open up the Apple Music or iTunes program, and just do the software update on there. But that's it. I've experienced this, and I think most of you have been experiencing this too, and that's the reason why I want to make this video. But please leave your comments and questions down below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this so I can make more videos and show you what I've been experiencing, and that way it can help out the rest of the community as well. But if you haven't already, make sure you hit the bell button, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.